In this video, we will see how to change the time format in Microsoft Excel. So you can see there is a time given, that is 9:21:33 p.m. That means the hour is 09, minute is 21, and second is 33, and it is now a night time. So we can change this time into different formats. So let's start. So to change the format, carefully observe the navigation. I will right click, then format cells. Now another window will appear. In there, the category should be time. Type, there are lots of formats available. Let's say I want to change this into this format. So if I use this format, this will be 21:21:33 p.m. 33 p.m. will not be there. So if I click on OK, it will come as 21:21:33. So instead of AM or PM, we can use like this. Now if I want to go any other format, the navigation will be same. Right click, format cells. Let's say I want this format. So if I use this one, so the time will be 9:21:33 p.m. So let's see. Yeah, it's 9:21:33 p.m. Now if I want any other format, let's say this format. So the difference is, in place of 9 it will be 09 if I use this format. So okay, then it will come as 09:21:33 p.m. Now if you want to set the format for a different location, because then there is another way. Now I am recording this video in India. Let's say I want a time format for USA or any other country. Then the way is, right click, format cells, category should be time, and I will select that format from the location field. So let's say I put this as Australia, then the format available will be these three only. So I will have to select any one from them. Or say if I want to check for any other country, let's say South Africa, then only these two formats will be available. So that means these formats are specific with respect to a country or a location. So from here also we can change the format for any other country or any other location. So these are the ways you can change the time format in Microsoft Excel. That's all for today. Thank you.